Welcome to Surviving What's Coming. We are your go-to source for all things emergency preparedness. Before we begin, make sure to follow us on Instagram at @survivingwhatscoming and visit our website at www.survivingwhatscoming.com for more information and resources. Today, we're going to talk about the importance of creating an emergency plan for you and your family or household. Emergencies can happen at any time, and it's important to be prepared for them. That's why having an emergency plan in place is crucial. Your emergency plan should include emergency meeting locations, emergency contact information, and emergency procedures for different types of emergencies. For example, if there is a natural disaster, your plan should include evacuation routes and designated shelters. If there is a power outage, your plan should include backup power and lighting solutions. It's also important to practice your emergency plan with your family or household. This will help everyone know what to do and where to go in case of an emergency. Keep in mind that emergency preparedness may vary depending on your location and personal circumstances. It's a good idea to consult with local emergency management agencies for specific guidance and recommendations. At Surviving What's Coming, we want to help you be as prepared as possible for any emergency. Follow us on Instagram and visit our website for more information and resources on emergency preparedness. Remember, being prepared can be the difference between life and death in an emergency. So, take the time to create an emergency plan and practice it with your loved ones. If you need more detailed information on how to create a plan for your family, leave a comment or DM us on Instagram. We're here to help. Thank you for watching, and stay safe.